So this exhibition traces the production of Maison Schiaparelli from Elsa Schiaparelli's first fashion hit in 1927 right up to the present day, with a gown fresh off the catwalk from the house's January couture presentation. So Elsa Schiaparelli dressed women who were bold and unconventional and unafraid to stand out in a crowd. Often her designs featured collaborations with artists like Salvador Dali or Jean Cocteau. She put a somewhat macabre skeleton down a black evening dress, and that was inspired by a dialogue, an exchange with the Spanish artist Salvador Dali. And Jean Cocteau created incredible drawings that were then translated by the embroidery house of Lesage onto the backs and on the fronts of tailored jackets and coats. So there's all manner of creative collaborations. One of her most recognized designs must be the lobster dress of 1937. And it was designed in collaboration with the Spanish artist Salvador Dali, who took a drawing of a lobster, made it in vibrant red, and then Elsa Schiaparelli transposed it onto the skirt of a dinner dress. It's probably one of the most known images of Schiaparelli garments because it was worn by Wallis Simpson, Duchess of Windsor, and it was purchased by her as part of her wedding trousseau. Elsa Schiaparelli retired in 1954. She closed the doors of her house, and for decades the house didn't trade and was silent. And then with the repurchase of the brand in 2006, the house has gone from strength to strength, in particular with the 2019 appointment of Daniel Roseberry as creative director. And what's really impressive about the work of Daniel Roseberry is that he references the history of the house, but with a very light touch. He's not beholden to the archive, and so he translates those kind of dramatic silhouettes, unusual color combinations, and haute couture techniques for a modern audience. And he's got at his fingertips incredible haute couture technicians in the atelier, and is using his creativity to kind of harness those skills. And you really see it in the gowns that we've selected. I hope that visitors will take away from this exhibition the incredible creativity that's on show. I hope they're inspired by the witticisms, the use of color, texture, embroidery, the collaboration with artists. But I also think there's a story around the biography of the founder, Elsa Schiaparelli, who, as a woman untrained from a non-Parisian background, made her way to the center of Paris haute couture. She also arrived in Paris as a divorced mother at a time when that was taboo, and navigated that with great aplomb, and became friends with some of the greatest artists of her day, as well as creative partners.